last time we left off installing the window. You see there are two other items there that I got from the, I guess, junkyard that need to be installed. Here are the beginnings of the table being mounted to the sidewall. More to come there. Here are the solid walls that are soon to be installed. You see that there were pegs, holes made at the bottom, nails inserted on the bottom of the wood. This is wood that's going to be the same thickness as what is already there. And the door that I got from the RV recycle or dump. So we're trying to cut everything to size so that the second wall can come together. Meanwhile, I started installing the electricity. I used a really heavy-duty extension cord to do most of this wiring because a lot of it's going to have to be laid inside the walls, pushed down far enough so that it won't be pinched when the pop-up portion of the roof is shoved inside. You see I used extension cords everywhere to install the receptacles. There are 5 in total in the camper, which seems like a lot really for the square footage. We had to start patching up some of the floors, some of the holes that were in the floor. Over time, I mean, it was originally built in 1965. It's understandable. There's a little bit of rot, but overall, she is super solid, and now even more so. The great things with patching up the floors and using things like the carpenter putty, which has bits of wood in it, is that you are making the floor more solid, of course, but you're also helping to square up the entire structure. The door was cut to fit, and you see there we had to pinch it and space it and all sorts of stuff so that we could then make the 2 side panels of that front wall to fit. Once it's all painted, of course, it's gonna look custom made, but right now it looks like it's being a bit patched together, but that's okay. The important thing is that all of the holes are being filled. And you see that gap, and then you're gonna see the gap close. Voila! So this is the wall that's facing the tongue, basically. I started to paint the roof. You can see there, part of it's still the ugly yellow. And there